Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 3 over s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 3 ln s, and number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And this one, we have s to the power of 3. Next, that means we multiply both sides by s to the power of 3. So we simplify this one in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that first derivative of a multiplied by b, this one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y s to the power of 3. Now I will consider about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have negative 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. U and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Number 2 and number 3, we have 1 over 6. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.